Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's head towards some fun stuff. Learning how to extract vocals from a song in FL Studio. It's super easy, so let's get started. First up, go ahead and import any track that you'd like. Once that's done, click on this little icon right here and select Extract Stems from Sample. If you don't have it downloaded yet, don't worry. Just click download when the pop-up appears and FL Studio will handle the rest. Once it's installed, this window will open, giving you various extraction options like bass, drums, instruments and vocals. Since we're focusing on vocals, make sure vocals is checked. Then hit extract. After a short wait, your vocals will be successfully separated from the track. Now, let's compare the before and after. Before vocal extraction, and after vocal extraction. And that's it. Super simple, right? Hope this tutorial helped. If it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one.